Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Kawasaki KRX 4 1000. We just installed the front and rear harness kit from Kawasaki. Wanted to do a little walk around, show you a little bit about how they work. These are a 6-point retractable harness. What I love about the Kawasaki harness kit is the fact that it is retractable. I will never personally own a set of harnesses again that are not retractable. With the Kawasaki system, it is a 6-point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do have that sternum strap there as well. Nice, simple, easy release there on the buckle, on the driver buckle. You do need to have it buckled, or you'll only do about 8 miles an hour or so. The system does take a little bit of time to install, but looks factory once it is installed. The kit's going to come included with everything that you need. The front harness kit is a separate part number than the rear. We'll notate that down in the description below. But this harness bar is included. The pads are included. The harness kit, both driver and passenger, are included in the same part number. In the rear, again, this is the same retractable harness kit. Same type of harness, looks good. Sternum strap, buckle is all the same, as well as a 6-point in the rear as well. And you do have the rear mounting kit that is included with the harnesses. We do have separate videos showing the installation of these. We'll notate that in the description below as well. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Gotta love those retractables. This KRX 4-seater is going to Moab, Utah. So you gotta love having those harnesses there in Moab. Have a great day, everybody.